Oh God, I don't know what this is. Lady. This is my first time trying to.
Turn it on.
Really?
What happened to the light?
Oh shit.
Are you gonna
I'm going to get it.
Just press the middle.
When I saw Michael, he just came up to me and just hit me, and then he started jiggling.
It's like Matthew. Go eat.
Named his own baby for the Mikey, and his last name is Michael.
Michael. Huh?
Blinking.
Because I was looking at something.
Bubbly.
No. I was thinking of something.
You were thinking something of you?
I know.
What?
Never mind. How do you have your accent? Or you don't have your accent anymore, do you?
You just don't notice.
I mean, I just don't know it. I already know this.
Why are you asking me if I don't have to anymore?
I don't know.
What in the world?
Remember when I came here, I don't even know English?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna get
I don't remember. I mean, I remember, but I forgot how you talk like. You have to like.
talk like Bob. Like the Allen. You go do this? I remember you were making me MySpace.
I just sent it
I was making you
again.
ice cream. I was making you ice cream.
You were making me MySpace.
What? Oh, I messaged you on MySpace.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
You're talking about MySpace.
When you were making me MySpace,
Oh.
and you're like asking me stuff, I was like, yeah. Like I can't even answer you. Like, what's your name? Yeah.
I don't remember that.
You just laughed.
Huh?
You just laughed for no reason.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I laughed.
Because you don't remember.
I
Yeah.
texted you from Patricia's phone, but I accidentally put something else. So I really meant it.
It's a secret on here.
How old is
I'm not looking at it.
Still gonna look at it and delete it.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna start recording Jada.
Oh really?
Yeah.